is Kishon. I will be talking about the cardio session I led, which was a fartlek session that was aimed to improve match fitness. In the session, I seeked out my strengths, weaknesses, and how I can improve. I started with my strengths. My strengths were good feedback from the players. As after the session, I asked the players what they thought of my session. One of my feedback was from Stefan, which was the intensity was good, and I thought it was an effective session. Also, I spoke to the coaches, which watched the session as a bit more experienced coaches, so I can get a bit more knowledge of them. I think my session was appropriate for what I wanted to improve, which was cardiovascular fitness. I gave good demonstrations to make sure that they understood fully what to do. As the session was going, I was changing it a bit to make it either harder for some or less harder for the people that were struggling. The intensity was low, medium and high, which is part of a fartlek session. My weaknesses were I thought I didn't interact a lot with the participants, which leads on to my other weakness, which was confidence. I think my confidence definitely needs improving, as the only time I really spoke was when I was upping the intensity and at the start of the session when I was explaining what to do. I think my timing wasn't too great either, as I took long creating the session, well, laying down the equipment. Also, doing the session, I think I made it a bit too long doing the same thing, which I felt got kind of boring for the participants. I had another weakness, which was to be a lot more louder and clearer to the audience, as I think I was a bit too quiet throughout the session. I will use the feedback that I had for future references, as I think it was good feedback. Also, I got to see where my strengths were. Also, sorry, I got a bit mixed up.